Today, we're gonna make some slime. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a very popular slime on Instagram right now, jiggly slime. And this recipe needs no glue or borax. For those of you who are new to my channel, hello, and I actually started my Instagram account at Crafty Slime Creator in August of 2016, and since I've gained over 800,000 amazing followers, and I've been able to write my own book and start my own business. Without further ado, let's go make some super jiggly slime. Here are all the supplies you will be needing for this slime. If you want to, you can pause the screen to read everything. First, you're going to take about 2 cups of warm water and add in about a tablespoon or a little bit less of guar gum. And when you mix this, as you can see, there will be tons of clumps. But just stir it as much as you can and use warm water to dissolve as much as you can, and stir, stir, stir. As you can see, I stirred for quite a while. Now you're going to want to take a new bowl and with a strainer strain out as many of the clumps as you can. You don't want a single clump in your final solution, so make sure you really try to get as much as you can out, and I'm just helping the clumps get through by stirring in the strainer. And I would recommend using probably a strainer with a little bit bigger holes than the one I'm using, just because it was a pain to get it through the holes of the strainer. So if you have one with slightly larger holes, recommend using that, but don't use the strainer for food, so make sure you get this specifically for your slime making. Then you can put that to the side, and in yet another bowl, you're going to want to mix in about 1.5 cups of water with 2 or 3 teaspoons of baking soda. And you're going to want to stir this. It should dissolve pretty easily. So now you should have 2 mixtures, the guar gum mixture and the baking soda mixture, and you're going to want to add those 2 together. And don't be like me and spill it, because clearly I don't know how to not make a mess. For this recipe, it can get a little bit messy and you're going to need a lot of bowls, so watch out for that. And you're going to want to stir, 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 stir some more. By now, from snow, but stirring in this tutorial, your arm is going to want to fall off, but just keep stirring until the 2 mixtures are fully combined. Next, I'm adding in food coloring, and this is optional. I'm just using some blue food coloring, but without it, the slime does not make a very pretty color, so I would highly recommend using some food coloring if you have it. Before I continue, make sure you comment down below what slime tutorial you would like to see next. And if you are enjoying the video, I would really appreciate it if you could like and share with your friends. Next, you are going to want to add in your contact lens solution, and just go little by little. You will need quite a bit to make it activate, but don't worry, it will. Just keep stirring and adding in your activator and stirring. Just make sure you don't over activate this, because that would not be fun. So just add a little bit and keep on going and stirring and stirring and stirring. Once you see the slime start to not stick to the sides of the bowl and the spatula, you should know that it is ready, and you can go in there with your hands and knead it a little bit. And that is how you make jiggly slime without any glue or borax. This was my last video in the 4-part series on how to start a slime Instagram. The first video in this series was how to start a successful account. Then it was tips for filming on your phone, tips for growing your account, and now the last one was how to make the actual Instagram slime. Click the card that is above me somewhere, or check out the link in the description to watch all 4 videos. And if you don't want to miss another slime video from me, make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post my next video. Don't forget, if you want to learn how to make hundreds of awesome slimes, the link to purchase my book, Ultimate Slime, will be down below as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Hello, you awesome people who stuck around till the very end of the video. I have a special tip for you guys. I doubled the amount of slime that I had by adding in more water. I added it in and kneaded it. The only thing is that this does make the slime stick to you a little bit more, so you might need to add some more contact lens solution. But look how much jigglier it is and how fun it is to play with. I hope you like this special tip, and thank you so much again for sticking around till the very end of the video.